Hi guys, this is my video. Naakoy guys, naakoy libro guys. Karon guys, magdula ko og kanang papilit og kaning mga stickers. Kani siya guys, oh. Naghimod ako balay guys, daan guys. Ara guys, oh. Ito lang guys. Ara, kuha sa ako ni guys.
Our lucky contestants are going to be answering trivia questions.
Ara guys, oh.
Fourth grade level.
Ara guys.
You're safe in this
Ako aning higdaanan. Ug ako aning shower. Ug ako aning lingkuranan. Ug ako aning TV. Ug ako aning atipan. Oman guys, apa guys? Ara guys, ako ang tindahan guys. Mauling tindahan ako. Ug ara akong brum-brum. Apa guys? Isa lang guys.
Okay, Aaron.
Ara guys, tapos sa swimming pool. Sige, magpapilit na ta. Ay, papilit na rin. Mauling papilit Joy-Joy. Send ko ni ka Joy-Joy ang video na ko. Ara ang ilang habol. Anong habol nila? Manapa, mauning tao.
Sorry, that was wrong.
Mauni ang tao.
Who played the piano on
Mauning tao.
Mad Man?
Kaning duwa sila. Manapa. Papilit ako di sila. Ato sa balay.
Oh, that is
Tulag ang ulo kasi. Lang guys. Apa guys?
family of instruments does the
Kani siya guys. Kani nga tao guys. Kay matulog. Sige, kuha sa kong papilit.
strings? It's a percussion.
Kaya guys, ako papilit guys. Sige, pilit na akong tao guys. Sige guys. Kamay lang guys. Kaya
If
pilit.
you get this next question wrong, Aaron unfortunately wins. If a square is 5 inches tall and 5 inches wide, what is the area?
Pero na guys.
I'm sorry, Poopy, but that.
Pero na guys. Dito rin siya sa bed guys. Ano sa guys? Natulog siya guys. Pero dapat siya habol guys. Ayan habol oh.
My Poopies, that was wrong.
Ano lang yung habol. Ayan habol guys. Dito siya na ngayong habol. Tulong ka na siya guys. Ano guys, oh, habol niya guys. Pero nasira din ang bakbak guys. Indot guys no. Hindi matanggal mangingi siya guys. Kung tanggalin rin siya. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, go. Mag-start tata. Asa to isa katao guys? Wala guys. Asa to guys? Mami, asa kung isa katao? Mas wala ko isa katao. Ay, guys.
It's a ruse to get them in here so we can lock the door, turn out the lights, and make their life a living hell. This is Silence of the Lambs. Dave England, Aaron McGehee. We have Jules here. Are you excited? Jules, say hi. Say hi, Aaron.
Sige. Nga na kong dula guys. Bye-bye guys. Say ko ni kay Joy guys. Bye-bye. At lang saan ta ko rin glow.
Very, very nice. He will let you if you get too thirsty, and he will do it.
Bye-bye guys.